What is a valve stem extension? Have you ever struggled to reach the valve stem on your tire while trying to add air? If so, you might want to know about a handy tool called a valve stem extension. This small device can make a big difference in how you maintain your tires. So, what exactly is a valve stem extension? A valve stem extension is designed to attach to your tire's valve stem, making it longer and easier to access. The valve stem is where you connect an air pump to check or add air pressure. Sometimes, especially with vehicles that have fancy rims or dual tires, the valve stem can be hard to reach. That's where a valve stem extension comes in handy. This extension screws onto your original valve stem, giving you extra length. This way, you can check and adjust your tire pressure without any hassle. Most valve stem extensions are easy to install. You simply remove the regular valve cap, screw on the extension, and then put the cap back on top. Some extensions even have their own valve core inside, which works with the original valve core when you attach it. Now, why would you need a valve stem extension? If you have ever tried to pump air into a tire and found it difficult because the valve stem was too short or awkwardly positioned, this tool can solve that problem. This is especially common for trucks, recreational vehicles, or cars with custom wheels. For teenagers learning to take care of their cars, being able to easily check tire pressure is important for safety and can even save money on gas. When it comes to types of valve stem extensions, they come in various shapes and sizes. Some are straight, while others are bent at an angle or even flexible. You can choose the one that fits your car's wheels best. However, keep in mind that extensions should only be used with metal valve stems, not rubber ones. Rubber stems can wear out over time, especially with the added weight from an extension. Metal stems are much stronger and safer for this purpose. If you decide to use a valve stem extension, check for air leaks after installation. You can listen for hissing sounds or use soapy water around the connection to spot any leaks. Always remember to put the valve cap back on to keep dirt and debris out. In summary, a valve stem extension is a simple tool that can make it easier to care for your tires. For teenagers learning about car maintenance, knowing about these extensions can save time and effort. Just make sure to use them safely and check your equipment before getting started. Taking care of your car is an important part of being a responsible driver.